In this video, I will show you how I find best Redbubble tags to boost sales. So let's start the video. First, you have to come on the Redbubble page and search for the keyword on which you want to make the design. For example, I have searched for monkey. Now, there are so many designs on the monkey keyword. So, all the listings related to the keyword monkey will show up here. As you can see, there are several other keywords at the top that are related to the word monkey. You can use them as your tags. If you click on one of them, then it will show you more tags. As you can see, more tags appear at the top. You can also scroll to the bottom of the page and you can see the related searches. You can also use these words in your tags. As you can see, this page has the most relevant designs for the search term monkey. So, in order to find more relevant keywords, you have to open the product pages. On this product page, you have to come to the bottom and then you can find the tags for this design. Here you can see the all product tags. These are the tags which are used on this design. You can also use these tags for your designs. Collectively, in this way, you can get the best tags for your design.